Emerging technologies that will change the future and world. Welcome back. Let's see which technologies are upgrading future world. First, artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence is often referred as AGI. It is a concept of machine with the ability to understand, learn and apply its intelligence to solve any problem. AGI have capacity to handle wide range of cognitive tasks and adapts to new situation autonomously. Being made in AGI research by leading organizations such as OpenAI and Google DeepMind. Approach for deep learning and network, which mimic human brain and functions. Researchers are working on expanding these models to handle more complex and abstract tasks. Towards developing more general problem-solving capabilities in AI. Looking into the future, the evolution of AGI could have profound implications. If it is achieved, the AGI will perform wide range of tasks. We are at stage where AGI can handle computer-related tasks and resolve it. Second, quantum computing. Quantum computing represents one of the most exciting and rapidly advancing fields in technology. Rather than classical computing, which uses bits as a basic unit of information represented in 0 or 1. Quantum computing uses quantum bits or qubits. Qubits have unique property to exist in multiple states simultaneously. One of the most significant advancements in quantum computing is the achievement of quantum supremacy by Google. Looking into the future, quantum computing can evolve profound impact on various fields.
Third, Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces. Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces represents most cutting-edge advancement in neuroscience and technologies. In the interface, it's connect with human brain directly to computers. The core technology involves ultra-thin threads, significantly smaller than human hair, which are implanted into human brain to detect records and activities. Fourth, humanoid robots. Current advancement in humanoid robots are pushing the boundaries of what these machines can do, making them more versatile, interactive and human-like. Humanoid robots are designed to resemble and mimic human body structure and behaviors. Another area of progress is artificial intelligence and machine learning. In future, these robots can play a significant role in many sectors. Fifth, generative AI. Generative AI, a branch of artificial intelligence focused on creating new content and also seen remarkable advancement in these years. One of the most notable development is natural language. Like OpenAI, these models can generate human-like text. Another significant progress is image generation. AI systems like Midjourney create realistic images from text or description. Looking into the future, generative AI is expected to grow significantly. Sixth, nanotechnology. Nanotechnology, the manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale. This technology works by controlling materials at the nanoscale, typically less than 100 nanometer in size, to create new structure material. One of the most exciting current advancement in nanotechnology in the field of medicine. Looking into the future, nanotechnology could evolve to transformative impact on various industries. Seventh, space tourism. Space tourism, once a concept of science fiction, is rapidly becoming reality. The current focus of space tourism is suborbital flights, offering civilians the opportunity to experience of weightlessness and view Earth from space. Looking into the future, the space tourism evolves significantly. This would mark a significant milestone in human space exploration. Eighth, smart cities. Smart cities represent significant urban development, utilizing technology to enhance the efficiency and quality of life in urban environment. Smart cities integrate various forms of technology including Internet of Things, IoT, devices, sensors and analytics to optimize city functions. One of most interesting current advancement is use of big data and AI. The data is used to monetize and improve various aspect of the city life. Looking into the future, smart cities could evolve to become more integrated and responsive.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow us on social media for more updates. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more videos.